Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today I'll show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. Simply go for the settings. Next you have to go for the display. Right now you have to go for the wallpaper. And as you can see, you can choose one of the following wallpaper, but you can also go for wallpaper from the gallery. In my case I don't have any pictures, but if you download or take a photo, you can choose it by tapping, and after that you will be able to set it up on the lock screen. So you have to click below, and as you can see, both wallpapers has changed. So we cannot set on the only one, like the different from on the home screen and the lock screen. We can only apply the same wallpaper on the both screens. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.